Hola, Profe Arnaly here, Pedacitos de Español con Lengualista. Little bit of Spanish with Lengualista. Today, we're out of time. Class dismissed. However, don't go. I want to invite you somewhere. I want to invite you to my studio. Come, let's see it. Today, I'm going to show you my studio. Now, before we go into the studio, can you hear my voice? Does it sound like a voice in a studio? Not really, doesn't it? So let's keep walking while I talk so you can actually see the difference. Do you hear the sound here? And then if I go outside, do you hear the sound again? So what we hear here is called slap echo, and that happens in every house in the world because of the sound bouncing off the walls. Now, if you come into a studio, you'll notice it quiets down because of that, what you see on the wall. These are absorbers. They absorb the sound. And that is diffusers. Those are diffusers. They diffuse the sound. Now, here's my workstation. My workstation has two computers, a Mac and a PC. The Mac is for audio. The PC is for my teaching and all my graphic design. And then, dun, 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 dun. Here's my favorite part of my studio. My piano! When you see me playing music, this is where you see me playing it. Now, there's something really fun that I designed when I thought of this desk, and it's right here. If you press number 2, the desk goes up, see? And I use this for teaching and recording voiceovers, because when you record voiceovers, you don't want to be sitting. You want to be standing up. So you get better breathing, you get better sound of your voice. And then you can go, when you finish and you want to edit the voiceover, the desk goes down and you can sit down. Here are my microphones. This is a shotgun microphone, and this one is a dynamic microphone. This one is mostly used for podcasting, for online communications. I also use it for recording music. I find it has a really beautiful color. This one is mostly for voiceovers. I have other microphones, but these two are my favorites. Then this is called the interface, which is a translator from the actual audio waves to the computer. So this guy goes and says, okay, let me put these waves into binary, and chunk, throws it into the computer. And so that's pretty much my workstation, my studio, and I really hope that you enjoyed the tour. Nos vemos!
My name is Arnaly Arriaga, and Spanish is my expertise. I can help you learn Spanish. I can voice your scripts in Spanish. I can help you understand the Spanish and Latin American ways of doing things. Remember, Arnaly Arriaga, I make Spanish simple for you. Voiceovers, lessons, translations. DM me or visit lengualista.com.